In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with LinkedIn messaging. If you're looking to streamline scheduling and make your networking process more efficient, this guide will walk you through connecting your Calendly account with LinkedIn. Let's dive in and get started on this quick and straightforward process. First, head over to calendly.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to find the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on login. It's time to enter your email address. After you've typed it in, press continue. Next, you'll need to provide your password. Once you've entered it, click continue again to proceed. Now you should be on your Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your scheduling needs. From here, look around for the option that says integrations and apps and give it a click. Once you access the integration section, use the search bar to type in LinkedIn. This will help you quickly locate the integration we're aiming to set up. When LinkedIn messaging appears in the search results, click on it. At this point, you'll see an option to download for Chrome. Click on this and you'll be directed to a new window. Don't worry, this is just part of the extension setup process. In this new window, look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Click it to start the installation. A prompt will then appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. Simply click on Add to Extension, and with that you're making your Calendly readily available within LinkedIn. Now your Calendly account is connected to LinkedIn. This setup not only synchronizes your scheduling processes but also helps reduce the back and forth messaging typically involved in finding suitable meeting times. Lastly, when prompted, just click sign in to your LinkedIn account and follow any additional instructions to fully authenticate and enable the connection. And there you have it. Your Calendly is now integrated with LinkedIn, making it easier than ever to manage your appointments directly through LinkedIn messaging. This collaboration between platforms is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and communication on social networks. Remember, integrating tools like these can save you time and boost your efficiency when interacting with colleagues, clients, or new contacts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this integration as beneficial for your productivity as I do. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.